Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I showed how to configure our project and how to import Google Cardboard SDK to our project. In this video I will show how to make a FPS camera, not FPS, first person camera movement for our virtual reality game. Then I will make a few changes for our scene. I delete this cube room and point light and treasure. I add in lighting lights, directional light. I add directional light for our scene. Then I change this dark color skybox. Go to the lighting settings, then go to environment, then click this dot in the skybox material, then click this dot, and then you can choose default skybox for our project. Now it's okay. Now I will import this Unity package for make a new environment for our project. Then I double click and import this. So you can download this Unity assist package using link in the description. Then let's go to our new added package. This is new added package, polygon nature package. Then go inside it and it provide you can see it provide a lot of materials, a lot of prefabs, plants, props and rocks, terrains and trees. You can see a different kind of beautiful trees and bunch of trunks and rocks. You can see different kind of different shapes rocks they provided. Then go to this scene folder and you can see a couple of scenes in this folder. I open this demo scene and you can see the beautiful low poly environment they provide for us, different kind of with different kind of particle effects, with different kind of trees, a very beautiful environment. I use this environment for our main XR project. Then I create whole environment as a prefab. Then I select this demo scene and drag and drop inside to our assets folder and create a prefab. Then I select this mountain skybox and drag and drop and create a prefab. Then I select this SM generic sky dome. Then I select it and drag and drop into our folder and create a prefab. Then let's go to our main scene. In the samples Google Cardboard, this our main scene. Then I drag and drop this created prefabs into our main scene, this environment added to our main scene. Then I add this mountain for our scene. Then I add this is sky dome. I missed something. I missed clouds. Then again go to polygon nature folder, scenes, demo scene, save this, save our scene, and I will add this two directional light for our scene. Then I add as a prefab these clouds Then I select and drag and drop into our scene folder and make it as a prefab. Then go to then go to our main project scene, and you can drag and drop these clouds and two directional light for our scene. I will delete this directional light. Some dark color. What's happened? Now it's okay. I change environment lighting source color to skybox. Now it's okay. This is our player means this is our main camera. In the main camera, this track post drive is very important script for our game, because the track post drive is track post drive can identify our head position rotation using our mobile phone sensors, using gyroscope sensor. Therefore track post driver script is very important for our project. Now let's create our first person camera movement. Let's create empty game object for it. Create empty game object, and this I will rename it as a player body. Then I drag and drop in top of our hierarchy. Then I add component for it. I add a rigid body component for it. Then I add character controller to our empty game object. Then I take it down to ground position. Now it's okay. Character controller. Then let's create a new C# script. Then create C# script name player movement. Now I double click and open it using Visual Studio IDE. So this is our script. Let's increase our font size to font size. It's okay. Let's create a public variable, public character control. I want to get in a character control inside to our project, our script. Character controller, I named it as a controller. Then I create again public variable for get character controller. Then I rename it as a character controller. Then I create public variable for public float variable for speed for our movement. speed equal for 2f. Okay. Public float for declare gravity minus 9.181 f. Then again public float variable for again I create gravity 9.8 positive 9.8 f. Okay, then I create private variable private float velocity. Then I equal it for 0. So come to this void start. Inside the void start, then I declare character control equal get component character controller. So come to this void update a code segment, and I'll declare this float text a variable for get horizontal get inputs. In this game I use only keyboard inputs because we can't use touch inputs while playing game, because we must play and we must use VR box or VR headset for play these games. You can connect your keyboard using OTG cable to your mobile phone. Input dot get axis this x variable for get horizontal value horizontal now I declare float y input dot get axis vertical. So vector 3 move equal transform dot right multiply by x plus transform dot forward multiply by z. 0 no not 0 z. Forward multiply by z, only z not vector 3. Can we use z? What's happened? Transform dot forward multiply by z. Vector 3 0. What's happening? or not z, just y. Multiply by y. I use vertical for y. Then controller, I get controller dot move. Move multiply by speed multiply by time dot delta time. Time dot delta time. Okay. Now this code segment for next for declare this code segment for gravity. If I use if character controller dot is grounded, we will check using this if this first person camera, this player body is on ground, then velocity equal to 0, velocity gravity. Multiply by time dot delta time. Else character controller dot move new vector 3 0 comma velocity comma 0, not 0, what's happened, 0. Now it's okay. This is this script for our keyboard inputs. Now I save it and go to our Unity project. Then I drag and drop into player body, then select player body. I think it's not properly saved. So player body movement script is now okay. Then we must create another script for our main camera to follow our player body and equal rotation of the camera to player body. Let's create another C# script. I renamed it as main camera. I rename it as a camera movement. Let's double click and open it. Then I create public variable, public transform, uh, camera. Then I create public transform camera body. Then I create public transform person body, or player body. Then I create public float x, public float y, public float z. So then I write a code segment to equal rotation of camera and uh, person body or player body. Let's create our code. Player body dot transform dot rotation, player body dot transform dot rotation equal quarantine dot euler 0 0 comma camera dot transform dot rotation dot euler angle dot y. Then comma camera dot transform dot rotation dot euler angles dot z. So then this coding part, camera body dot position equal to player, this code segment for follow the player body. Position plus new vector new vector 3 xyz, x comma y comma z. Now it's okay. Then I save this script. So I change this name to FP camera. Then I change all this like FP camera. FP camera. Now it's okay. Let's go to our project. Then I drag and drop it inside this main camera. Then I go to inspect, then I select main camera, then I go to inspector, then I drag and drop this main camera inside this FP camera variable. Then camera body means the parent class, not parent class, it's parent game object. Then select player body. Now it's okay. Let's play a test play. So it's a bug. Okay. What's happened? Player body. So I will add a capsule collide. Now let's check again. So what's happened? I can't understand what's happened. So I found the error. You must go to player body and you can tick mark to is kinetic. Please tick mark for it, and bug is resolved, and then you can build this game, and you can install this APK to your mobile phone and check if this game is working for play. When you play in the mobile phone, you must connect your keyboard to from OTG cable to your mobile phone, and you can play it like PC games. So this is the final output. This is what it look like when installed and played on your phone. To get the maximum experience, here you have to watch through a VR box. You can go back and forward by attaching a keyboard with an OTG cable. By the way, this is my first video series made using English medium. I'm still learning English. Sorry for the inconvenience. This video is over. See you in next video. Bye.